Okay. But would you be able to pull up your screen?
Yeah. Can you enable? Sure. Okay.
Yeah.
So I just have like this is a text mask, and then I just have one here too.
Yeah.
But let me bring up the PDF. When I have the PDF, it doesn't.
Oh, okay.
I don't know why. And I tried looking it up, but my like lines are not overwrite or like whatever. I don't know what the issue is. Same with these. If I should, all I did, this is just, yeah, it's locked. All I know is that the text mask is here, and you just click this, and then you just click OK.
Yeah. Okay, so click OK.
That's.
Could you try going to, okay, is example 5, that tab, is that like the PDF version of it?
This is the paper space.
Okay.
This is where you, right?
Could you, or no, wait, could you click that little plus sign to make a new page?
Here?
And then click that.
Oh, whoa.
Yeah, so, okay, so put into the scale that you need. Okay. If you click on, yeah, so center it the way you need it. Like that, yeah. Or do you know how to change the viewport size?
No.
Okay, so click delete.
The what?
Click delete or like a backspace or something. Or wait, could you like double click out of the box? Yeah. And then just like highlight the viewport. And then just delete it.
Just delete it. Okay. Oh, it's locked. Oh.
Okay. So then like go into like a little space and type in viewport.
Viewport?
Click on single.
And then
drag it from one corner to the top left corner to the bottom right corner.
the top left corner?
Yeah.
Should I reformat this paper? It's supposed to be like, I think, 11 by 17?
Okay, so can you right click the layout 1 tab then, if you need to change the paper size? And then click page setup manager.
Oh, portrait.
Oh wait, go back to modify.
Oh,
And
wait.
then do paper size. Is it 11 by 17?
Yeah.
Yeah, you should change that.
Sorry. Oh, whoa. What did I do?
Wait, your page is still 8.5 by 11. Is that?
Yeah, the viewport's now a little weird. Wait, let's do this again. Yeah.
Okay. So, like lock it, and actually don't lock it. Can you double click your text or check the layer first?
Check the.
The layer of your text.
I think I can only do that model. Sheet labels. It's like given to us, so
Mm-hmm.
that's why I don't know what I messed with for it to happen like this, because it was already like given to us and I didn't
Mm-hmm.
miss.
Okay, wait, can I think I have
Oh
a
yeah.
question for a remote. Okay, how much is I gonna do this?
Yeah, it'd probably be easier to like look
Oh,
around.
okay, yeah.
Mhm.
Okay, let me see this. Is this an in text?
It brings it up on my other screen. Sorry.
Oh. Okay.
I feel like AutoCAD is one of the most frustrating programs.
Yeah.
Just because we don't know anything, but it's also like every like small thing that goes wrong drives me crazy.
Mm-hmm. Oh, is it on your other screen?
Oh yeah, sorry.
Okay, let's see if this one works. Hello. What is this?
Yeah, the extra.
Sorry, she's slow because of the Zoom. Okay.
Yeah.
Hmm. Because I'm thinking it's your draw order that might be messing up the mask, but we can try that. Yeah, I think it was. Here, wait, let me try this one too
Oh,
then. Yeah, that's what it was. Okay.
some of them
Yeah.
have masks. I didn't do masks on all of them because when I saw that problem, I just
That's fine. I think what you could do is like I can try this. Is this locked? Yeah, it is.
yeah.
Um yeah, so I think you can take them all, select similar, it'll highlight all the ones
Mm,
I guess on that layer, and then you bring it to the front. So it'd be easier, and then I'll let you put masks on them, but if that happens again, you could probably try doing the mask afterwards. Or the layers.
just bring everything to the front.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because all of your text, did you put it in last? Is that why? Or
Some of them. No, I do my text first. Actually, I do all the labeling first,
okay, that might be why, because all the labels are in the back.
and then you wait. You do right click.
Yeah, so right click and then you can either try selecting similar to see if you get anything else, and then draw order and bring to front. Yeah, because those masks are showing up now.
Okay, I'll try.
Mm-hmm. You can do preview if you want to look at it first. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Thank you. That's good. Okay, I'm gonna try to do this real quick before another problem pops up.
Okay. Yeah, that's fine.
Should I just keep this other layout?
The one that you had originally, or the one that we made?
The one we made? Or is
If you need it,
just
but you can delete it if it's easier for you.
okay. I feel like all the rest of our assignments are gonna be AutoCAD too.
I'm surprised that you guys are starting with CAD so early.
I think it's because we're all online. I have a feeling. Because I
Oh,
thought that there
probably.
was, yeah, I thought that it began like by hand. As I
Mm-hmm.
remember them saying. When did you guys move to CAD, or when did you learn CAD?
I'm started like, ooh, what, beginning of studio? Because I know we don't start like putting stuff in and playing with it and making like a section or something. And then we used it at the end of,
Hmm.
I don't remember what project. What's the end of second year, maybe? Or
The end
no,
of,
not second year, sorry, first semester.
oh, the first semester of the
Second year?
first semester?
First semester, like now actually.
Yeah.
Towards the end, middle end, question mark? I think
Do you
so.
have AutoCAD experience before?
Not before classes, but I started using it on my own just so I can like
Yeah.
know how to use it.
Yeah, I feel like that's a good idea.
Mm-hmm. Because you're gonna like once it's like well because you guys are starting with it first now, you're gonna have to use it a lot.
Oh boy. I have like such a hard time trying to search questions on the forum too, like the what AutoCAD forum. I feel like I mean, you have to like really narrow down your word choice and like
Mm-hmm.
find exactly what you need to find. It's like kind of hard.
Yeah, you can usually find some stuff online, just like on Google, but like, because I haven't tried looking for stuff on the AutoCAD like forum itself, because I feel
Hmm.
like those are so specific. But if you
Yeah.
can't find anything, then like you could reach out to like me, JJ, or Madison, maybe.
Mhm.
Hmm.
I think I typically when I try to Google it, because I think it's like text math. I feel like it's not supposed to be that hard, so I just Googled it real quick and it led me to the forum, and I was like, okay. I read a few things for like 20 minutes, and I was like, this is not helpful at all. So I was like, let me just hop over.
Hmm. Yeah, how's greeting? Do you like it so far?
Okay, I didn't know what it was exactly. All I remember going into it, other people were saying that there's a little bit of math. It's like basic algebra. You'll be fine. And I'm like, okay. And then I feel like there's so much work. Like I know this is recorded, but there's so much. There's the exercises are a lot. Like the
Hmm.
rhythm of the class is like there's a rhythm, but you have to like there's I don't know. It's like one thing due every other day until we have like the introduction of Beehive today. That
Hmm.
like because no one really knows CAD, so everything got pushed back.
Yeah,
The
okay.
deadlines got pushed back by a week, which help a lot. But
Hmm.
before like these past few weeks, we've had like 8 different things due every other day, it feels like, and it's a lot when you're just trying to like learn the program itself and the concepts. I mean,
Yeah.
grading's not too bad. Like once you get down like the formulas, there's only like a few so far. Um, yeah. I don't know what else is in store though, so I'm just holding on to right now. 'Cause I feel like it only gets harder from here. So
Yeah.
how's stormwater by the way? How's that class?
How was it? Okay, wait. Who is teaching grading for you? Is it Stuart and Wuhan?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, yeah. So I have done those two for stormwater. It's nice to transition from like grading
Mhm.
to stormwater because
Wait,
it's
they both teach stormwater as well?
yeah,
Oh, okay.
and it's like an easier transition because like you'll have the basics down.
Yeah.
It's just an because then I think you get into the more like complex things of like designing with like parking lots and
Oh
designing
yeah.
sites with it and where to put it, stuff like that. You'll learn that soon. I don't know when you start, but just like
I
make
don't
sure
know.
you know the concepts from grading because that'll help you a lot.
Okay. Um, I have to study into that.
Mhm.
It's kind of weird because it's kind of hard. It's harder to pay attention on a screen than in person for
Yeah, it
me.
definitely is.
Though I feel like I get tired easily too because staring at a screen all day.
Yeah, how's studio too? Wait, who's your professors for studio?
I have Alec, Michael, and Lauren.
Okay, I have a question. Which Michael?
Is there more than one? I think he's a redhead, has a beard.
Wait, do you know his last name? Because we were wondering about this.
What are the last name options? I don't know.
Oh, I don't remember. Wait.
S
I don't know.
S. They start with an S.
Oh, I don't remember.
He's more quiet. Oh, I haven't had him yet
Interesting.
though as a section leader, but
Hold on, I'm gonna look for that.
is there more than one Michael? Did you have a one too?
We had a Michael last year, but we thought that he was really good. Like we said, that you guys have a Michael, we're kind of like trying to figure out
Yeah.
what's the right one.
Is there a way to put a text mask on an arrow? Is that a thing?
I think you can. Maybe. Actually, I don't know. I don't
Just
know if you
yeah.
can.
You can also look for it. Probably send an email. Mm, pages, people. Okay. Michael Saltarella?
Oh my God, really?
Yeah, why?
That was our professor?
That's your professor?
Yeah,
Um,
Michael Saltarella. Wow, okay.
I don't think I've ever heard his last name before, ever. So weird. Um, Everyone
Oh,
just calls him Michael. Just like Alec. No one calls him Professor Spangler. You just call him Alec, right?
yeah, yeah.
That's why.
That's how it goes for all of our professors.
Okay. I don't. Where do you find the text message?
You, because it's not text, could you like right click it and see what pops up?
Press the wrong button. Right click it?
I don't know if you really need to put text mask on arrows, really. It's more
It's
of
like okay if it overlaps like that?
it should be okay, yeah.
Okay.
If not, then you can just make it shorter so it fits between the lines.
Oh, that's true. I don't know if I can move it. I don't know, it's fine. I feel like we haven't gone over that, so it's like a text mask for words, definitely make those clear, but I think everything else is fine. All right. How long are these Zoom sessions?
Um, I want to say like an hour maybe, because I mean it's on paper right now, but I'm doing an hour for today or for now.
Okay.
Mhm.
Have other people come on or no?
No.
I feel like a lot of people like to ask questions in class, but I feel like there's so many people that I don't know, it's like you get lost in it. Or you don't even know what to like what you're asking because you're like trying to listen to other people too.
Mhm.
Um, I think this is good. Oh, wait, also, is it odd if sorry, I'm just share my screen again.
Yeah, you're good.
Some of the words are like I don't know, some are like more bold than the others. I don't know if it's just me or if it prints out differently, but it looks kind of odd.
Oh, yeah, I see that. The LPS and stuff. Yeah, so go to CAD. Is this like a template that they gave you?
Oh
Like all
no.
the text stuff, or did you change that?
I didn't. I did the default for the larger number, like the numbers that I added. I think they have a different type of text for theirs, but the
Yeah,
ones I
so
added and included differently.
I was like, you can kind of see them because like your numbers are bigger than their like written ones.
Yeah,
So could you double click like the edge of swale one?
the edge is swirl.
And then so go to like the top left. You see where it says like A, one, two, three.
Yeah,
Okay, so click the little down arrow on the side and see which one they used or what their format was.
I accidentally opened Photoshop. One second. This is it sucks because it's right next to AutoCAD, and if you accidentally open
Uh,
that, everything starts shutting down because I'm on Zoom. You're on AutoCAD, and then you're opening it. This happens way more often than it should. It's like I should move this. Okay. This down arrow?
yeah. Yeah, so they're using sheet labels. So then double click your text, like any of them.
Just change it to sheet level.
Yeah, I think that's the one that they use, sheet labels.
Which one was it?
Yeah.
Should I change the text
Mm-hmm.
type?
Yeah. Oh, oh, is she upside down?
I didn't
Okay.
do anything. I literally did not do anything.
Wait, or is it just the font? Wait, actually don't do that. Let me see something.
Uh, okay. Yeah.
Okay. Just taking over.
Go ahead.
Um, hello? What?
Control Z. Oh yeah.
Okay, 2.5.
Is there a standard for what font and what size and everything that things should be
Um,
in general or in AutoCAD tracing plans like in general? I feel like it's really up in the air for our class. Like there
Mm-hmm.
was no given standard.
Oh, sorry, she's just like frozen right
It's
now.
dirty. Why is that upside down?
Yeah, I don't know. Did you? I'm just gonna rotate it for you real quick. I don't know why that's upside down.
So you have to rotate everything. Might as well change everything and then rotate everything.
Did you add this number yourself?
Yeah, I added a number myself.
I wasn't saying because you probably could have added to the LPS part.
Yeah, yeah. I don't know.
Um,
I didn't want to mess with any of their things, and I try to create a different layer or group for each swale
mhm.
problem. So all the text from swale one that I added is
Yeah,
like
it
in one
does.
layer, and then layer two, layer three.
Mhm. Also, so for like stormwater and grading, so I think for right now you guys don't really have to worry about text sizes, or as long as you can read it clearly and it's like not like overlapping anything.
Hmm.
Um, because once you start using symbols like this, like the cross over here
Yeah.
for high points and low points, like you have to make them small and like have the text like match. But I
Um,
want to say all text sizes should be the same across, unless it's like labels of
yeah,
like, oh, this is vegetation, it'd be a bigger label.
yeah.
So as long as they're all the same and they're all consistent, then you're fine.
This one, okay.
Okay, so yeah, that text, it is street label and it's a certain size. It's yeah, they're all the size of the face, right?
Why? Or upside down?
And it's 2.5046. That's the size that your professors use.
Why? That's so odd. Why not 2.5?
I'm trying to, I don't remember if there's a way. I think there was a way that you can change them all at once. Maybe not. Oh,
You highlight, like do all the similar. What is it called? Like right click.
like similar.
Yeah.
I don't know. Could you edit text like that? Yeah, no, you might have to go into Visually and fix that.
What?
Yeah, there's no setting for that.
Wait. Does it? Okay, wait. Do they care if we have a different font size though? Because this is a lot.
Hmm. I mean, how does this look? Can I? Oh, oh,
Yeah. Yeah.
yes. I'm just looking to see if it's any different. I think.
It's not that.
Can't
So
really
it's
tell.
oh, it's a thinner
Oh, when
one.
you zoom out, you can see them. Wait, also your line weights. Um, so generally for grading and stormwater, the ones that are like multiples of 5, so like 70, this contour here, and 50, they should be the darker line
Okay.
weight in comparison to the rest of them.
Okay. Like the
So you're gonna,
major contours.
yeah.
Okay.
But
Also, I don't know how, like, which color to choose as like the darker, or do I just make them one clearly darker and one lighter? Like, is there like a
so what
oh
you
darker
do,
one, and then cyan is a darker one? Like,
okay, so there's
I'm sorry,
you
there's
would have to change. Oh, okay.
okay. Go ahead.
Okay, so for when you change like the line weights, um, interesting that they didn't show you this. You typically make a new layer for like major and minor contours,
Yeah.
and then like you would assign a layer And then did they teach you anything about how to change like line weights and line
Yeah,
types?
yeah, yeah. They gave us like a little layout thing to show like what colors are darker and what colors. Oh, wait, one second. It's on the other
Mhm.
side.
Oh, okay.
What colors are lighter and what colors are like show up darker when you print.
Mhm.
So I can do the major and minor stuff, but I just like don't know if
Because you can go into like the pen settings themselves. I'm just gonna show you
that's on
like
the other side.
how to do it. Oh, okay. Yeah, so did they show you how to use this?
We have used it in the past, but I don't really know what everything does. Like they're only just like, okay, so color one, just assign it this and this and this. Like,
Okay, well, if you're using your own colors and you want to assign them, so like pretend I wanted my minor contours to be like color 13. Like you would individually like go in here and like change the line weight to something that you like.
uh-huh.
The minor ones would be like the thinner one, so I'd probably pick like a 0.19. Um, and then if I wanted the major contours, I made them a different color, like color 17. You'd individually go in there
Hmm.
and then you save your line weights. And then that would show up clearly in the plot. Because here it's kind of reading as one, so you're gonna have
Yeah,
to change
yeah,
that. But they do get a little nitpicky with that.
yeah. Okay. I think in our exercise 4 we also have to mess with that, but um typically I don't know if there's like a certain color they want us a certain thickness they want us to use, or I just like choose myself to make one darker and one lighter. Like I don't know if that makes sense.
Uh, when you guys start putting in, like, when you guys start having plans with like buildings in there, it would be like, um, your road would be like the lightest, I'd say. The building would be the darkest. Like you work your way from ground up. But then keep in mind, like, um, pavement should be lighter, like so you can see it, but like it's not like overpowering your contours.
Yeah.
You want your contours to read and have like the major as the darkest, minor as the lightest.
Yeah.
And then vegetation would also be light.
Yeah.
I think they should, depending on your TA, I think they should be giving you like a demo of that.
Yeah, I have like just two, like the Texas yellow and the cyan. Cyan's like pretty dark as well. Really a lot of it. How many layers do people normally have on? Because I feel like it gets a lot. Like this is really weird. So I just
It's gonna
like
fill up, like it's gonna be more as you do more to it.
I like the folders on like Photoshop or something where they just like organize them within groups and layers.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because this one you have to like scroll through and find each individual one.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I would say make sure everything is the same font though. Yeah, same font and same size at this point.
Uh, okay, I have to go in on each one then. Should I pick something with cyan? Because since it shows up really dark, should I pick a lighter color for the
Pick any
regular?
color that you can see in the model space.
Okay, I'm probably gonna change the major contours so that and make the other ones lighter. Okay.
Yeah, so what you could do now that you made the layers, you can highlight like contour 70 and contour 50 and move that onto the whale one or major contours.
Is it every 5, but it is every 70, like 75, like
It's
5,
every 5, yeah.
5. How well did you do in grading, by the way? Just wondering.
Grading,
Grading's kind of hard.
I don't remember like exactly like the grades I got, but I was pretty okay in it because it's like the more it progresses, like it's like all common sense at this point.
Good.
Look at it, it's okay.
The beginning's a struggle. Like this got me so confused that everything changes at this elevation point, and this slope is different from this slope, and then everything's like really wonky past this. That was weird.
Interesting. Yeah, I thought your lines were a little because the other ones were so uniform.
Yeah. I don't know. They went over that in class this morning that past this line, spot elevation, that since this is different from this, that it has to change. I don't know. It looks funky, but I think it's right. Okay, I think I'm just gonna take it slow from here. Thank
Mhm.
you. Thank
Yep,
you for your help. Have a good day.
me too.